Making your point. How to enhance public speaking with strong evidence and examples. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting session where we are going to focus on using strong evidence and examples when developing clear and concise main points for public speaking and presentations. With the right evidence and examples, you can make your points not just understood, but unforgettable. You might wonder, why do we need evidence and examples in our presentations? Evidence serves as the concrete support for your claims. It makes your argument reliable and believable. On the other hand, examples bring your points to life. They provide a tangible context that can make your ideas more relatable and understandable. So, what makes evidence strong? To make your evidence strong, it must be relevant, credible, and specific. Relevant evidence directly supports your claim. If you're talking about global warming, data about sea level rise would be relevant. Credible evidence comes from trusted sources. It's always important to ensure that the information you are sharing is up to date and reliable. Specific evidence provides exact information rather than generalities. Instead of saying, many people, use precise figures like 65% of people. Just like evidence, examples need to be relevant, vivid, and relatable. Relevant examples tie directly back to your main point. They should illustrate your point effectively. Vivid examples catch your audience's attention. They often appeal to the senses or emotions. Relatable examples resonate with your audience's experiences or knowledge, making your point more personal and memorable. It's crucial to find the right balance between evidence and examples in your presentation. Relying too heavily on either can lead to a dry, impersonal presentation or one that lacks solid grounding. Use evidence to build your case, and use examples to illustrate it. The audience needs evidence to be convinced and examples to be engaged. Remember, using strong evidence and examples in your public speaking is like using a secret weapon. It can mean the difference between a forgettable presentation and an unforgettable one. Practice incorporating them into your speeches, and soon, you'll be a more confident, persuasive, and engaging speaker. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. As always, don't be afraid to put what you've learned into practice. Stay curious, stay brave, and keep speaking.